Hey everyone, I wanted to show you how to install the Bible app on your phone. First, you go to the Google Play or App Store. Then search for Bible. Now it'll probably be the first thing that comes up, but you want the one that says YouVersion. So let's go ahead and install that. It takes a few seconds to download, and then just a little bit of time to install, but it should be fairly quick. Once this is installed, you can open it right from here or from the app list on your phone. The first time you open the app, it's going to ask you to log in. I use my Google account, but you can use a number of different ways to log in. It's very easy, and once you're logged in, you can do a number of different things in this app. You can read and easily go to the book, or even down to the chapter or verse. While you're reading, you can easily select the version that you want to read, and there's like a million of these. The other cool thing is that it will actually read the Bible to you, which is really cool. There's reading plans that you can use, and a whole lot of content to discover. If you click the More tab, there's even more things that you can look in at. I encourage you to download this onto your phone today, dig into it, and remember that technology is a tool. Thanks a lot.